Water heats the cloud song. Water heats the cloud song.
Strange. Oh, are you the warriors that followed Lord Finon back from the frontier? Thank goodness. I hear you're both exceptional warriors, as masterful as nothing has been going right these days. First, those minions of Nikador attack, and...
Not with human effort, of course, silly.
High Priest Treeby, oh, Kefali on high, our prayers are heard.
Huh? When we all arrived in Akama? Maybe you also have... Not at all! We have lots of priests here, but why don't you both try chanting? Treeby will see if you get it.
Fresh from the...
That's okay. There are many others like you. Ooh, you met Aggie, right? How did your chat go? Alrighty, as long as things are going... You know, we are pretty certain there's more to yours, but with this, you should be able to... Oh, right. We came by to check if you have Yeah, we knew it. There are also Yanisopolis priests beyond the... let's see. This looks different. All set. Now we can contact one another with our teleslates. Only in Akama, though. Did you think we were some backwater people who... You can also use any currency you have on you. Talantan scales will determine the value. Huh? Were you expecting? Okay, time to get back to work. Have fun.
Fresh from the oven! Go! Bring word! To the board! Frontier heroes grace Akama. Feats abound right here! Frontier heroes grace Akama. Feats abound right here!
what are you two doing up here? Oh, you... Oh, you... Aha! See, you met the right person. The name's Damionis, and I may have some All right, pass me your photo stone. Oh, this is an entirely foreign make. But that's not gonna stop me. I'm guessing this here and Oh, it's no biggie. Okay, strike. And we're done. Well, I mean, say, I've been wanting to ask you guys something. You're not real. I've heard some things here and there. I mean, refugees that just came into the city are saying. Thalassopoulos? Oh. Is that so? Akama welcomes you.
Does it really work? I heard that he's a believer of sadness.
It's all yours. cloud song.
It's about time you do some exercise.
Drink 10 vats of water every day and Bagusa.
Water keeps the cloud song. Water keeps the cloud song. Good. This could serve you well. It's all yours. Water keeps the cloud song.
My cherished Iris.
My beloved Nympha.
Let's leave Akuma.
Place for just the two of us.
This could serve you well.
These fruits aren't very good quality.
It's all yours. Water heeds the cloud song.
Out of the shadow weight of the core flame, if you will.
I'll try my best, Cartonis. But
Here, your
you too. You're back much quicker than I imagined. Here you go. This is the compensation I previously mentioned. Once again, let me offer my sincere apologies. The one who crafted this spear must also be a renowned master. I guess there's always someone greater out there. Or perhaps I've just never given... You've probably now heard about the tripartite prophecy that descended upon Amphorius. The reason it's a prophecy is because there's another theory that it is the whispers of Kefali before their eternal slump. Please, don't simply dismiss it as silly superstition. The people of the... Me? But if the gods favor me, I believe that my... It's Nikador. I'm a soldier who was taught how to fight at a young age. One day, I'll break the... But discussing such a... Oh, right. Since the weather is great, why don't you two look around?
This could serve you well.
I've created another new dish. Any takers?
Water heeds the cloud song.
It's our welcome to the dwelling of the drum. Really? I find it rather sweet. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Donald. Oh, this child looks hungry. Since you were here, do you two want to try? Their feed is dry red soil and it's very clean. There's some over there.